There are tons of mistakes that can hurt your store. I have seen many stores make big mistakes, and I don't want that happen to you. Today, I will show you 10 things that you need to fix, add, or remove to make your Shopify store better, get more sales, and keep customers coming back. Move social media icons to the bottom. Social media is great, we have no doubt, but if you put your icons at the top of your store, people might click away before they even check out your products. That's lost sales. So the question is how you can fix it. Well, move those icons to the footer instead. This way, customers can still find your social handles, but only after they have explored your store. Here is a pro tip. Do you want more followers? Offer a discount or a special deal when people follow your social handles. Stop annoying pop-ups. Ever been on a website that throw pop-ups in your face every few seconds? Super annoying, right? Customers feel the same way. Too many pop-ups can make them leave your store without buying anything. So how you can fix? Use pop-ups only when necessary, like age verification, email sign-up, exit intent pop-ups, targeted product promotions. Remember, less pop-ups is equal to happier customers and more sales. Don't annoy customers with live chat. You ever walked into a store where instantly a sales guy jumps in and says, "Hey, do you need help? Are you looking for something? Let me show you our best deals. Bro, chill. Let me breathe." That's exactly what happens when your live chat keeps popping up while customers are browsing. It's annoying. It makes people want to leave. How to fix that? Keep the chat in the bottom corner, nice and quiet. Remember Clippy from Windows 95? Yeah, don't be Clippy. No one like Clippy. Too many apps equal to slow store equal to lost sales. Imagine your phone loaded with hundreds of apps you never use. It runs slow, crashes, and drains your battery. That's your Shopify store when you install too many apps. Every extra app adds weight to your site, making it slower, and guess what? Slow store lose customers. So go to your store, delete the app you don't need. Keep only ones that boost sales and improve your customer experience. Test your site speed after every change. Think of it like cleaning your house. And you probably don't need half of those Shopify apps either. Too many animations equal to confused customers. Imagine walking up into a store where everything moves, flashes and spins, lights everywhere, buttons are bouncing. It's a total chaos. That's what happens when you overload your Shopify store with too many animations. Sure, they look cool, but they slow down your site and distract customers from buying. So how to fix? Use animation only where it matters, like making the buy now buttons stand out. Keep transitions smooth and simple, no crazy effect. Avoid too much movement that overwhelms shoppers. Your store should guide customers to buy, not make them feel like they are in 90s arcade. Keep it clean, keep it fast, and watch your sales grow. Fonts and colors, keep it simple. Ever landed on a website and thought, am I supposed to read this or decode it? Cursive fonts, neon colors, weird contrast, it's a mess. If customers struggle to read your store, they will leave before buying anything. The fix is use clean, simple font, no fancy cursive or robotic text. Pick 2 or 3 colors and stick with them. No rainbow explosions. Make sure your text stand out against the background. Please don't use yellow text, cover a white background. Keep it clean and keep it readable. Streamline product recommendations. Imagine walking into a store and right away the shopkeeper suggests products that fit your style and needs. That's what personalized product recommendation can do for your online store. Rather than showing a random list of items, you want to focus on what your customer might actually want based on their search history, the pages they have browsed, or what they have bought before. This makes their shopping experience feel like it was tailored just for them. And boom, conversation go up. Here's how you can make that happen. First, meet Rebuy AI, an AI-driven tool that knows what customers like and serves them suggestions accordingly. Then there is a shop quiz by Revenue Hunt. Think of it like a fun quiz that guides user to exactly what they need, making the experience interactive. And if you are on Shopify, their search and discovery app is another powerful way to keep your recommendation on point. With these tools, you are not just offering a product, you are offering a personalized journey that feels just right. Simplify your navigation menu. Imagine walking into a store with everything in the wrong place. It's confusing, right? A messy navigation menu does the same thing online. To fix this, keep your menu simple and organized. Group similar items together so visitor can easily find what they want. When it's easy to browse, people are more likely to buy. A clear menu equal to more sales. Don't use stock images. Stock images can make your store look fake and people will lose trust. Customers want to see the real deals. Instead, use original, high-quality images. Show real product photos and some lifestyle photos. Let your brand's personality shine. Even include yourself in the pictures. This helps build trust, stand out, and boost conversions. Simplify the checkout process. A complicated checkout can make customers drop their cart. To fix this, enable guest checkout. People don't want to make an account just to buy one thing. Shopify makes checkout fast and simple, which is why it's a top choice. Also, be clear about shopping details like cost, delivery time, extra fees, etc. and offer multiple payment options for convenience. No one likes creating passwords. Let them check out as a guest for a smoother experience and higher sales. Now I am giving 2 more bonus tips. Optimize for mobile. More and more people shop on their phones. So if your store isn't mobile friendly, you are missing out. If your site looks good on computer but not in the mobile, then customers will leave. Let me tell how to fix it. Make sure your Shopify store is mobile friendly. Test every page and feature on your phone to ensure a smooth experience. Optimize images and buttons to load fast on mobile. A mobile optimized store means happier shopper and more sales, no matter what device they are using. Improve your search function. Have you ever been on a website and couldn't find what you are looking for, even though it was clearly listed on the site? Frustrating, right? A bad search function can drive customer crazy and push them away. So how you can fix? Improve the search bar with filters like category, price, and rating. Make sure it's easy to use and show relevant results. Add a suggested products feature for when customers don't find exactly what they are looking for. Those are the top 10 things you need to remove and optimize your Shopify store. If you are ready to take your Shopify store to the next level, we are here to help you. Drop a comment or reach out if you need expert advice. Email us at info@ecomclips.com. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your business. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.